We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Fidget Pen gifts for teenage girls, a magnetic pen toy that has captured the attention of kids, teens, and adults alike. This product is marketed as a multifunctional writing pen that doubles as a magnetic fidget toy, offering a unique combination of utility and entertainment. It is designed for children aged 8 to 20 years and is especially popular among teens and preteens. The pen features a gel pen tip and a touch screen stylus on either end, 12 steel balls, and 13 rings that can be magnetically connected and transformed into various shapes, such as swords, robots, or monsters. This versatility is one of the pen's standout features, allowing users to build and rebuild different forms according to their imagination. Users appreciate the high-quality build and the strong magnetic force that holds the pieces together firmly. Many parents and gift buyers have noted that the pen feels heavier than expected, which contributes to a perception of durability and quality. The magnetic components provide a smooth, relaxing tactile experience that helps with focus and stress relief, making it a popular decompression tool for kids, students, and even professionals like engineers and designers. The pen's design encourages creativity and can serve as a fun pastime to pass the time, which many users find appealing. However, it is important to note that while the pen functions well as a fidget toy, its performance as a writing instrument is less impressive. Some users mention that the pen does not write very well, which is understandable given its primary appeal lies in the magnetic toy aspect rather than as a high-quality pen. Additionally, the pen cannot be used as a writing tool when it is configured into different shapes, limiting its practical use in those forms. A significant safety concern has been raised by some users. There are reports of sparks occurring when the magnetic segments are dropped onto hard surfaces such as tile or concrete. This phenomenon has caused alarm, especially when sparks landed on a child's skin, posing a potential burn hazard. This risk has led some parents to caution against letting children play with the pen unsupervised, or in environments where drops onto hard floors are likely. While the pen is marketed as a safe toy, this issue is a serious consideration for anyone thinking of purchasing it for younger children. Assembly of the pen after transforming it into various shapes can be challenging. Some users find it difficult to put the pieces back together, and the limited number of magnets restricts the complexity of the shapes that can be built. Despite this, the pen offers enough flexibility for casual play and creative manipulation, which keeps users engaged. The packaging of the Fidget Pen is well done, with an attractive and sturdy outer box that protects the product during shipping and handling. This makes it a great gift option, as many buyers have purchased multiple pens for parties or as presents for grandchildren and friends. The pen is available in different colors, including pink, which has been well received by young girls. Overall, the Fidget Pen gifts for teenage girls is a novel and entertaining product that combines a writing tool with a magnetic fidget toy. It excels in providing a tactile and creative outlet for kids and teens, helping to reduce boredom and stress. The strong magnets and durable construction are praised, though the pen's writing functionality is secondary and somewhat limited. Safety concerns regarding sparks when dropped on hard surfaces are noteworthy and should be carefully considered by potential buyers. If used with caution and supervision, this pen can be a fun and engaging gift that sparks creativity and provides a unique fidgeting experience. We encourage anyone who owns this pen to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This review aims to give you a thorough understanding of what to expect from this magnetic fidget pen, balancing its innovative design and entertainment value with practical considerations and safety warnings.